Hey, hi Shagun. Hi Udichi. Thank you for joining. Shagun, are you here from my Instagram? Let's wait for people to join. I hope they can join. Sorry, I don't use Instagram. Okay, thank you for being here, Shagun. No problem. I have shared on my I was asking because I have shared on my Instagram stories that today I will be reviewing a few items. So, in case you know that, I am just sharing the link of my live on Instagram stories. So, Shagun, I think you are new here. So, let me introduce myself to you. I am Rinadi and I am a certified makeup artist. I am from Bangalore and I go live every now and then on my YouTube. I have an Instagram channel also with the name Makeup and Everything with it. So, this is all about me, and today I'm gonna review few items I have bought from Lovert, Mars, Makeup Revolution, etc. Happy to have you here. Shaguni, do you want to introduce yourself? I see two people who all are here. Can you please confirm? Hi guys, please be active on chat so that I know who all are here, please. And hopefully we have at least 10 people. Don't know if anybody's gonna join or not, but hoping. Okay, we have five people. Can you please all say hi so that I know who all are here, please? Do we have anyone new? Hi, Rajat. Hi, Udichi. Hey, PIT. Let's see, we have six people now. Let's see who all have joined. Hi, budding artist. I'm just quickly informing my audience. So if we have Rajat Udichi, PIT, budding artist. We had two more people. Where did they go? Hi, Sneha. Welcome. Please ignore my hair. Good evening. How are you? Okay. Yes, I know, Sarika ma'am. So this is the look I've created with the glam of makeup on her life. And today I'm gonna review one of her product as well, which she introduced in collaboration with Loveworth. Thank you. Thank you, Sneha. We had two more people. I don't know where did they go. They didn't introduce themselves. I don't know who they are. So let me know guys when you want me to start. I'm just waiting if more people wants to join. Should I start now? Please say yes or no. Okay. Okay, let's start. So I have a lot of products for you today. Oh, there are 8 people suddenly. Please say hi in the chat so that I know you are here. These are the lip liners I'm gonna try. See if these are from Swiss Beauty and from Lovert. All these lip liners I'm gonna try. These are the lipsticks I'm gonna try from Lovert. All of these lipsticks I'm gonna try today. So this highlighter, I have this cute palette of bronzing. This I'm gonna try. I have this multi-pot palette from Lovert, which I'm gonna try. And I'm gonna try this palette from Mars. I've used it already, so I'm gonna tell you how it is while trying it. I'm gonna try this powder from Innisfree, and I'm gonna try this lipstick pack from Lovers lip gloss. So let's open it as well. We have a lot of lipstick products to try. We have 9 people. Wow, guys, drink your water. We had 9 people. Suddenly it's six. Why? Okay, so I'm gonna try this powder first. So I've done my this makeup, or should I try something cream? Let's try some cream product first. We have this multi-pot palette. You can use it on your face, and it's basically lip and cheek tint palette. So let's apply some blush from this. I've not used it. This is the first time I'm using it. So let's try some blush. Let's apply some blush from this palette. I have set my face once, but I will set it again with the Innisfree powder. So what I'm gonna do is, I have this plate. I bought all of these products so when I have clients, I can use them. So to keep all of them very, clean and I will take this product. I'm taking this shade. This shade. This is the shade Be the Change. This is the shade Be the Change. They have not written it on top of it. They have mentioned it behind. I don't know what's the use of that. I'm taking this much on my plate. Okay, and I'm gonna apply it with a brush. I'm gonna apply first. I will activate the product. So activating it. Let's create a ombre look with this palette. So I have applied. So I've taken this, and I'm gonna apply it here on the cheekbone. I will apply it. Okay, it's good. It's nice pigmented. And I am gonna blend it with the brush. Trying to find a brush. No, not this brush. Using this brush, and I'm just gonna blend it. I have mirrors all around on my vanity table. Okay, it may look like it's a lot right now, but we'll neutralize it. Now I'm gonna take another shade from this palette. Let me try this with my fingers. Let me swatch it with my fingers. Okay, it's good. It's creamy. It's very creamy, guys. Very blendable. Look. Let's try one more shade. Let's. Okay, you tell me which shade I should try. Let's call it maroon, dark pink, red, orange, dark pink, light pink, brown, and mauve. Tell me which shade I should try. Fast. Tell me, guys. No one's gonna tell me. Okay. Then I'm gonna take some orange shade. Upper fourth. This one. Okay, I've taken some little bit of orange, and I'm gonna take little bit of this mauve. Okay, and I'm gonna place it over here, and I'm gonna activate it quickly. Yes, yes, Sarika. There is one technique I'm gonna tell you. So my face is down. Okay, so on round face you should apply blush over here. Okay, and on small face like a very uh, egg shaped face or triangle face, you should apply blush on cheeks and whole. So my face is very big, so I apply my blush over here only. But since I'm trying the product today, I'm gonna apply the triangle face technique. Okay, so this is, I have applied directly from blush, and I have taken orange and mauve, so it's gonna create some ombre effect. Uh, have I answered your question, Sarika? Okay, guys, this is the blush I have applied. Tell me how do you like it? कैसा लग रहा है आप लोगों को? बताओ मुझे कमेंट्स में. मैं तो रिव्यू कर ही रही हूँ, आप लोग भी बताओगे कि आप लोगों को कैसा लग रहा है प्रोडक्ट ऑन माई फेस. Okay, so I have created this ombre effect with this Loverth multi-pot palette, and I think it's a very nice product. It smells little funny, but it's okay. It smells like a cream product, like lipsticks. So I have applied this cream. This is called cream product. When you have these kind of palettes, na, so these are called cream products. So I have applied my blush. Can you all see now? Tell me how it looks. Thank you, thank you. Okay, now we have this palette. This palette is from Mars, and I have tried it, and my review is it's not very pigmented. But now, okay, sorry. Let's try this powder first. Let's set with powder first. Then I'll apply powder products. Okay, so in on camera, it's not showing very much. Okay, blush, but in front, it's showing very much. It's showing like my face is whole red. Okay, so let's try it. Let's try this Innisfree sebum powder, mineral powder. It's very cute. This I have tried. This I have bought to try on me. If I like it, then I'll buy the bigger packaging. They have given this cute puff with this. But let me first check my any creasing. If I have any creasing, I will remove it. So creasing is basically in your lines. Product goes into your lines, so you have to check it before setting your face. So I'm gonna check it in my lines under my eyes. आप एंड गाइस मेकअप इज नॉट मैजिक. आपका जो है ना लाइंस कभी भी नहीं छुपती हैं मेकअप से, बट आपका फेस स्मूथ हो जाता है तो इतना आपका दिखता नहीं है वो. और क्रीजिंग से अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट आपकी लाइंस के अंदर चला गया तो वो मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हटा सकते हैं, बट वो लाइंस नहीं हटा सकते कभी भी. तो डोंट एक्सपेक्ट दैट. ओके, मेरी मैंने एक बार पाउडर सेटिंग की थी व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग दिस मेकअप, सो मेरी क्रीजिंग नहीं हुई है इतनी. आई एम गोना सेट माय फेस नाउ क्विकली विद दिस. Okay, so I've taken this powder. I'm gonna remove excess on my hand. Please comment, keep commenting, guys. How are you liking these products? Okay. So first, I'm gonna set my under eye. Guys, आपको मेरा फेस थोड़ा चेंज लग रहा है क्या इस पाउडर को लगाने के बाद? Ask questions, guys. Ask questions. Okay, everybody has left. Who is one person who is still there? Okay. Hi. So now I am trying. There are a lot of outgoing and ingoing people, but we have to keep going. Okay, so this is the palette that I'm trying now. So I've tried this palette. I've not liked that very much, but I'll show you and you tell me key how it's like. Thank you to everyone who is still here. देखो मैं ऐसे ब्लश उठाती हूँ. I have applied blush on my whole face today, so I'm gonna apply it like this. Otherwise, I apply it ऐसे 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 और टैप टैप करके लगाना चाहिए हमेशा ऐसे नॉट लाइक ऐसे ऐसे आपका मेकअप मूव हो सकता है. सो देख रहे हो गाइस इसका इतना पिगमेंटेशन नहीं है. बट येस इनिस फ्री वाला पाउडर इज़ वेरी नाइस. मेरा फेस काफ़ी स्मूथ लग रहा है अब. इसमें ऑल्सो ये फेयर स्किन के लिए है ये वाला पैलेट आई वुड से. मीडियम स्किन के भी चल सकता है. और ये इसमें कुछ हाइलाइटर्स भी हैं. आई एम नॉट गोना ट्राई दोज टुडे बिकॉज आई हैव अदर हाइलाइटर्स टू ट्राई. सो वी हैव ट्राइड these three products till now. I'm going to keep them away. Thank you so much to everyone who is here. Thank you so much. You all are sweethearts. Okay, so now I'm gonna try this Makeup Revolution का very cute Finding Nemo palette. देखो आप Finding Nemo Makeup Revolution. See, very cute. Okay, so I'm gonna apply this with this brush. Quickly clean it. Okay, so here we have bronzer and this is highlighter. Can you see? Okay, guys, very pigmented. Dust off extra. This is of Makeup Revolution. Looks very pigmented, guys. See, मैंने थोड़ा सा ब्रश लगाया and कितना ज़्यादा pigment आया है. Now this is bronzer, so मैं इसको अपने cheeks पे apply करूँगी. Bronzer is for that sun-kissed look. देख रहे हो guys कि शेडिंग आई है कितनी अच्छी. इसको लगाते ही it's very pigmented. I love it. It basically gives you it gives shading to your face जिससे आपका फेस स्कल्प लगता है. कॉन्टोर जो होता है इट्स कोल्ड ट्यून एंड वो ब्रॉन्जर जो होता है वो वार्म होता है. वाओ गाइस इट्स वेरी पिगमेंटेड. Can you see this nose contouring? I'll just quickly neutralize it with small brush. Makeup is basically art on your face. देख रहे हो आप मेरी नोज कैसे यहाँ पे शेडिंग आ गई है. कैन यू सी? ओके, सो देखो इसको मैं थोड़ा सा ब्लेंड कर लेती हूँ विद अ स्मॉल ब्रश. देख रहे हो गाइस, वाओ, लव इट. अब हम इसी पैलेट से ना थोड़ा सा हाइलाइटर अप्लाई करते हैं. सो दिस इज द हाइलाइटर. मैं सिर्फ अपनी नोज पे अप्लाई करूंगी इसको. आप देखना. ओके, लेट मी चेक इन. मुझे स्क्रीन पे कुछ नहीं पता लग रहा है, सो आई एम गोना जस्ट ट्राई इट in the mirror. Yes, I can see it in the mirror. Can you see it on the screen? Is it showing on the screen? Okay, let me apply it on the cheek. Okay, so it's a very bronzing highlighter because it's a bronzing palette, right? So it will look good on medium or dark tone as well. Okay, so I'm gonna do this bronzing here as well. Love the bronzer. आप लोग बताओ, आप लोगों को ब्रॉन्जिंग एंड ऑल पता है? ब्रॉन्जिंग एंड ऑल कंटोर के बारे में पता है आपको? ओह नो. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम से अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी लेके आओ एंड खुद भी सीखो. So I have one more highlighter to try, then we'll move on to lips. I have this highlighter from Mars, and it's a dupe for that Dior highlighter. If you know that Dior highlighter, which has 4 shades, it has 6 shades, so even better. So I'm just gonna take these 2 shades. So this is how makeup artists take products. Okay, I'm gonna take these shades and I'm just gonna apply it here. Can you see, guys? Can you see that highlight? Can you see that highlight, guys? Wow, I can see. I hope you all can see as well. It's awesome. I think I'm gonna build. I think मैं इसको पूरे फेस पे लगा के ना चमक जाऊंगी. इतना ज़्यादा सुंदर लग रहा है ये. See? Can you see that? This is highlighter. This is highlighter's magic. So if you want dewy look, apply highlighter. आई थिंक मैंने काफ़ी लेयरिंग कर दिया है यहाँ पर, बट बहुत अच्छा लुक आ रहा है, बहुत अच्छा. मिरर में थोड़ा एक्सेस लग रहा है बिकॉज बट माई मिरर इज लाइक वेरी लाइटी. ओके गाइज, आर यू एक्साइटेड? लिप्स टाइम. लिप्स तो हर किसी को चाहिए. लिपस्टिक, लिप लाइनर्स, लिप ग्लॉस. सो what is the time, guys? Can somebody tell me that? 6:33, 6:45 पे मुझे अपना लाइव एंड करना है. सो आई एम जस्ट gonna. Is there any way where I can ask for poll? No. Okay, guys. So I'm giving you 3 choices. I have done brown nude eyes. So tell me which Uh, so all of these are Swiss and Love Earth. So I'm gonna try one of Swiss Earth, son of one of Swiss Beauty and one of Love Earth, Swiss Earth. Okay. So tell me, you want dark lips, you want nude lips, you want pink lips? I'm gonna do that. Please, please, please tell me fast. Pink lips. We our options are pink lips, nude lips, and dark lips. So tell me, I'm gonna do that. Whichever you tell me to try. Tell me fast, guys. See, all of these lipsticks are nude, but हम इनको dark बना सकते हैं. Don't worry about that. Tell me, I'm drinking water. Please जल्दी जल्दी बता दो. Pink lips, nude lips या dark lips. Okay, I don't know who all are here on my live. So if you all can say hi so that I know who all are here. Pink. Okay, so we have one vote for pink. Guys, आप लोग तो काफी शांत हो यार. Okay, one is pink, one is two is pink, and one is up. Okay, so let's do nude pink. Ombre lips. Wow, what a great idea. So okay, so with this look, this because this is brown, smoky eyes, so nude lips will go with this. So I'm gonna do pink first to show you, and then I will remove it and then do another. Okay, so I'm gonna do pink lips. I hope you all can see. गाइस बताओ आप लोग मेरे फेस पे और जो प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने अभी तक लगाए हैं वो देख पा रहे हो क्या? ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट. लगता है जिन लोगों ने गिव अवे नहीं जीता वो तो गायब ही हो गए नाराज होकर. बट दैट्स ओके. Okay, so lip liner is on. They must be busy in some other giveaway now. That's fine because I have all of you. Okay, so I have these two. So this is these lipsticks is uh, uh, made by the Game of Makeup, Sarah Ma'am, who is a makeup artist in Lucknow, in collaboration with Lovert. So I have these two pink options. Yes, sweet Sneha. So I am apply cotton kiss. So in lipsticks का they claim कि ये इनमें primer भी है, so they eliminate all the lines and all. Okay, so we're gonna test this. And this is a mousse type uh, consistency. Like they say कि it's a tube of Anastasia lipstick, which is of 3000. So I'm gonna apply this and like this. Guys, can you see? Okay, so this lipstick, yes, it's a mousse structure, and yes, it's very soft. It feels like nothing on my lips. Truly, truly, very true review. It doesn't feel like it doesn't feel like anything on my lips. It's very light mousse because it's mousse consistency. So this is the pink lips. Tell me, guys. I'm gonna try one lip gloss on top of this. ये है मैट लिपस्टिक्स. यस. बट ये लाइंस को ब्लर नहीं किया है मेरी. आई कैन सी द लाइंस ऑन माई लिप्स. दे क्लेम दैट इट ब्लर्स द लाइंस. सो लेट्स अप्लाई. दिस इज लवर्ट का लिप ग्लॉस का पैक. सो आई एम गोना अप्लाई वन लिप ग्लॉस. लेट्स सी व्हाट ऑल शेड्स वी हैव. ये मैं फर्स्ट टाइम आपके सामने खोल रही हूँ. प्राइस मुझे मिला था ये 699 में, बट ये ऑफर में था उस टाइम. अभी आई डोंट नो, सॉरी, कितने का है ये, बट आई थिंक इट्स अबाउट 1000. 699 में ऑफर में मिला था मुझे. सो वी हैव ऑल दीज शेड of lip glosses or liquid lipstick, whatever you want to call. And I'm gonna. So since let's make these lips into dark, and then उसके ऊपर मैं थोड़ा सा ombre effect दूंगी. पहले इनको dark करते हैं, या फिर हाँ हम ऐसे भी ombre effect दे सकते हैं. Let's do that. This is the shade pink powder. It says pink. Let's see if it is pink. Otherwise ये भी pink लग रहा है देखने में. ये मुझे थोड़ा सा ब्राउन लग रहा है honestly. So I'll take this on my plate because मैं सारी लिपस्टिक्स अपने लिप्स पे नहीं यूज़ करना चाहती to contaminate. So I'll take them on my plate and ये देखो, this is how it looks. और इसको मैं जल्दी से अप्लाई करके देखते हैं how it looks. Please tell me, guys, if you can see. Please tell me if you can't see. Okay, I'll change the angle. अभी हमारे लिप्स मैट थे from liquid lipstick only, from mousse lipstick. You can see. Can you guys see that ये थोड़ा सा डार्क पिंक कलर है. I hope you all can see the ombre effect. I can see in the mirror. If not, I will apply much darker shade. Please let me know. None of this is paid promotions. Okay, none. I bought all of this with my money. थोड़े से ओवरलाइन हो गए हैं लिप्स. गाइस बताना जरा, दिख रहा है आपको ओम्bre इफेक्ट? I bought one. Yes. बिकॉज मुझे इतना ज़्यादा नहीं दिख पा रहा है, सो दैट्स वाई आई वाज आस्किंग. बट this is clear gloss. Let's apply this glitter gloss. Little bit only. Wow, it's nice. And guys, Loversky products is very affordable. So मैंने सेंटर सेंटर में लगाया है. And yes, it's very nice. I think I love it. थोड़ा सा पिंक भी मिक्स हो गया इसमें. बट इन द मिरर आई कैन सी दिस सिल्वर. एंड ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि सिल्वर पार्टिकल्स चुभ रहे हैं. नॉट वेरी नाइस. मुझे तो इंडियन ब्रांड्स ट्राई करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. अब बताओ. अपने लोकल बिजनेसेस ट्राई करना इज अ वेरी नाइस हैबिट. यस, इंटरनेशनल भी करो बट इंडियन भी करो. डोंट मेक एन ओपिनियन. आई थिंक इट्स वेरी नाइस. लेट मी जस्ट क्विकली टेक अ पिक्चर. ओके, आई विल पोस्ट all of the looks. Okay, guys. Okay, so I've taken this picture. Now I will remove it and applied nude shade. मैं ज़्यादा शेड्स नहीं ट्राई करना चाहती गाइस. मतलब मैं आपको सिर्फ रिव्यू देना चाहती हूँ कि इनका टेक्सचर वगैरह कैसा है. इन केस यू वांट टू बाय. ठीक है, अगर मैं सारे शेड लगा के दिखाऊंगी तो मेरे लिप्स तो गए. Okay guys, 6:47. Let's just quickly complete my look and then I'll say bye bye to you. Okay, so I'm gonna try this shade. This is brown. I can't see the shade name. Cherry brown. This is cherry brown. Let's apply it. I'm gonna do my. I'm gonna shoot some reels and photos after ending the live. No, guys, not this lip liner. It looks very different from what I was expecting. Let's take this. This is dark chocolate. It's cool toned. Yes, I want this shade. मुझे लिप लाइनर लगाना बहुत टफ लगता है गाइस. एंड गाइस लिप लाइनर एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है जो आप अपने सारे क्लाइंट्स पे रिपीटेडली यूज़ करते हो। सो इसको कैसे हम करते हैं सैनिटाइज। टेक स्प्रे वाला सैनिटाइजर एंड स्प्रे इट ऑन द टिप ऑफ योर प्रोडक्ट। कभी भी बिना सैनिटाइज किए आपको प्रोडक्ट यूज़ नहीं करना है क्लाइंट पे। Okay, see guys, this is the lip liner I've applied. I know it's dark. I know it's dark. Oh god, मेरी खांसी. Let's try to lighten this. For this I'm gonna use this lip lover. इससे क्या होगा ना गाइस, आपके लिप लाइनर पे भी ऑम्ब्रे इफेक्ट आ जाएगा. So I've applied this. Quickly clean my brush. See, okay, eyeliner. Sorry, lip liner is applied. Now I'm gonna take this cool tone lipstick. This is in the shade Mocha Matte. This is again that lipstick. It's too dark. No, 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 no. Let's take this on the plate first. See मेरी brown nude brown smoky eyes हैं, so that means it's a dark eye. So हम lips को ना light रखेंगे. ये आपको यहाँ पे लग रहा होगा कि नहीं है dark, but it is dark. I can it's अगर आप सामने से देखो तो काफ़ी dark है. Let's so quickly blend this. Now I'm gonna apply this, and this was the shade Cloud Drip. Very nice nude shade, very cool toned. Can you see, guys? It's light nude. गाइस एक बार बता दो जल्दी से कौन कौन है यहाँ पे. so that I can tag you all whenever I put story for this. Udichi is here. Who else is here? Sneha is here. Yay! So nice of you. सारिका आपके घर में कोई शादी हो तो मुझे ही बुलाना आप मेकअप करने के लिए. So this is the lips, guys. I love this shade. It's very nice. It will suit every Indian look very nicely. So I need my lips need some cleaning time. Okay, let's see. Take this mirror. Guys, do you like overlining your lips? ओके, सो मैंने अपना क्लीन कर लिया. मुझे यहाँ पे थोड़ा क्लीन करना था. बताओ गाइस कैसा लग रहा है आपको? कैसा लग रहा है आपको ये लिप शेड विद दिस लुक? थैंक यू स्नेहा. आई विल बी देयर. I think these lipsticks are very nice. Okay, so now I will apply this golden glitter wala. Taken some on the plate here. और ये ट्राई करने के बाद हम अपना लाइव क्लोज कर देंगे गाइस. 1 घंटा भी हो गया है हमें. सो मैं ग्लास को ना सिर्फ अपने सेंटर में लगाती हूँ लिप्स के. कैन यू ऑल सी? ओके गाइस, आई थिंक मैंने आज तक अभी आज इस लाइव में जो जो प्रोडक्ट्स ट्राई किए हैं ना, all of them were big success except that blush palette, I would say. Everything was very nice. These lip glosses, these lipsticks, and this Swiss Beauty के lip shades. ये Lovers के lip liner are not good, but Swiss Beauty के lip liners are awesome. And उसके अलावा bronzing palette, oh my god, best product in this life. And उसके अलावा हमने ये ट्राई किया. This was nice. Usual, nothing special. It was nice. एंड उसके अलावा हमने ट्राई किया है हाइलाइटर. वाओ, ऑसम. गेट दिस गाइस. वो डियोर पे अपने सपने छोड़ दो. टेक दिस. ऑसम, ये उसका हाफ प्राइस है, सो टेक दिस। एंड ये ब्रॉन्जिंग पैलेट, अगर आपको ब्रॉन्जिंग एंड कॉन्टरिंग करना अच्छा लगता है तो टेक दिस, आई लव इट। एंड ये ओके, ये गुड फॉर मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, नॉट फॉर एवरीडे। None of these products are sponsored. All of these are bought by me. Yes, I do a lot of shopping. मैंने थोड़ा सा फेस प्रोडक्ट्स भी लिए थे, जैसे कि ये फेस मिस्ट एंड ये फेस ऑयल। ये मेकअप आर्टिस्ट लगा सकते हैं। फेस मिस्ट तो कोई भी लगा सकता है, फॉर एवरीडे यूज इट्स गुड, लगाना चाहिए। योर फेस विल लव यू। सो गाइज, दिस इज द फुल लुक। रील्स और आप फोटोज़ मेरी इंस्टाग्राम प्रोफाइल पे जाके देखना। ओके, एंड थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। आई एम गोना एंड दिस लाइव हियर, एंड थैंक you everyone who joined. I don't know who all joined, but hopefully please leave comment and if you like my video, then like, subscribe and all of that, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is makeup and everything with it. Okay, see you guys. Thank you all for joining. Love you Sneha, love you Dichi. Bye guys. And also today, one last thing, sorry. Today I tried this nude kajal for the first time. Let me know how it looks on my eyes. आज तक मैंने ब्लैक के अलावा कोई नहीं ट्राई किया था। आई हैव ट्राइड वन ब्लू एज वेल, बट ये न्यूड मैंने ट्राई किया है। सो बताओ मुझे कैसा लगा आपको ये न्यूड काजल। ओके, बाय गाइस, लव यू ऑल।